Another walk. No shoes. I think I lost my shoes last night. I can't find them this morning. I've got 7 new workers that are from Belize in my dorm today. And they're gonna be here until I leave, I believe, so it's gonna be fun. But they're working on telecommunication lines on the south end of the island for like fiber optics and that kind of thing. So today we're just out looking for more delicious food. Oh, is that what he said? I don't remember the blue house he said. So maybe. I don't know, I'm trying to find a place I'm looking for that was recommended. I don't know the name, but they said it's a blue building, but like every 5th building's a blue building. So, but yeah, this has been a great adventure coming here. But we just sat around and talked for hours last night, and keep learning more every day about what it would be like living here. And I think if you're an expat looking for a place to go, this is a great place. It's not the cheapest, you can go further south, Colombia, Panama, El Salvador, but it's not a bad place. And doable. It's not expensive. It's just there are less expensive places, but as far as it even work, everything seems possible here. There's nothing that nothing you couldn't do. Everybody greets you with a smile, and it doesn't feel like like a fake touristy kind of hey. It's like pretty genuine. People here are just trying to survive. We're not trying to survive, trying to live. We're trying to make a buck, make a dollar. And I love it. The way they have no regulation, or very little regulation, it allows for freedom of individual capitalism without government taking all your money like they do in the States, So there's the beach right there. You're never too far from the beach. But so yeah, those that are expats, they have their reasons why they're leaving the US. And we all have our own. But if you're tired of the thumb the thumb of tyranny, hello, being pressed down upon your face, work to get out of there, because there are beautiful places to be that treat humans a lot better than the States do. So anyway, I'll let it go on that one. This is part 2. And love to all. Cheers.